See what we got. All right, we got about 2.5 minutes till market open. The markets are holding pretty good. We got Nasdaq up 1.2%, S&P up 1.9. Let's see what we could do today. We got about 45 seconds till market opens. All right, we got 10 seconds. S&P with the big pop there, with some volume stepping in. We got 10 seconds till market opens. Let's see what we do. All right, here we go. Nasdaq with the pop, S&P as well. Let's see what if they could rally up to that new resistance that we have at 439. Sorry, that's not 439. That's 439. A little bit of sell off here. It's all right though. S&P's holding a little better than Nasdaq here. I have puts from yesterday on S&P. I got them up here before the Fed meeting. I actually tried to close them down out here, and my app, because I was no longer on my desktop, I was on my phone, and my app would not let me close out. It's the craziest shit ever, bro. I was up about 2K. I'm probably break even if I'm lucky. I don't even know what I'm at right now. Let's see. SPY. So I'm currently up only $180. What a joke. I was up 2.3K at one point on those puts. Ah, fucking killed me. And then it was looking good overnight. Sold off quite a bit. Bounced off that support though. So that's unfortunate. Apple is rallying right now, up 2.2%. PayPal selling off. I'm gonna give Nasdaq a few more minutes to kind of settle in, see what it wants to do before I jump into any trades. S&P's holding pretty well on the EMA still. Ah, there we go. Nice little pop. I still got those puts on SPY. Fucking sucks that, I got stuck on them last night. I tried to get rid of them, couldn't. Fucking sucks, but it is what it is. We'll see if S&P starts to have trouble here at 4,400, and then we could start selling off. The reason I got into these puts was because right here, yesterday, we started a rally, right? Monday we had that big bounce off, and then Tuesday we kind of just chopped away. Wednesday we started to rally, so we're expecting this to kind of start breaking up, But it was so weak here that I was like, yep, we're gonna definitely come back and test this low. We tested that low overnight, so unfortunately not during the day. So got inputs here, tested the overnight support right here. It bounced off of it, unfortunately, so now we're back up here. Look, I bought my puts up here, and my puts now here are break even. It kind of sucks, but it's part of the game, We'll see how this bounces. If not, we'll see if it makes a lower, because it could have some resistance here at 4,400, and we can start making a new low too. Or not a new low, but test that support again. So I was gonna get some S&P, damn it, some PayPal puts too yesterday. Didn't get filled on those. SPY with the sell off a little bit. Nasdaq as well. We got Apple selling off a bit. PayPal selling off a bit. We'll see how big the sell off is before we start to jump into anything. If it's one of those choppy days again, then my puts will get killed just from the choppiness. But if we start picking up some volume and start selling off pretty good here, that'd be nice. Below, if you look on the 1 hour chart though, it still kind of looks good for the puts. It's just that I got kind of closer to the closer expiration date, so that kind of sucks. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, we kind of have like a triple top here. On Monday, we kind of got stuck here at the 4,400s. Tuesday as well. Wednesday, we broke above it. We were not able to hold it though. Broke back below, tested the support again. And now we're coming up here. And you see on the 1 hour chart so far, it's kind of looking like it's rejecting there. So we'll see if it could fully reject and start breaking below 43.50. And anything below that, we'll definitely start making a move lower to hopefully to retest this, and we'll see if we break it. Nasdaq with a nice sell off there. Nasdaq was up at about 1.2%, I believe, at the open. Currently only up 0.7. S&P is holding a lot better. It's currently up 0.8 still. We'll see if it can start selling off a little better. Five-minute chart, S&P is still holding, so we'll see. If it starts rejecting here, I might start to, on the 1 minute chart, I might start to get short on the S&P. Okay. You could go in there. I didn't go in just because, I don't know, I'm being a little cautious. I already have puts. I don't want to. Fuck it. I got in there at 81. Let's see if this can make a move back down. Nasdaq is selling off still. Let's see if S&P can make a new low from the open. So below 75. Got bought up right away, so it's not good. Let's see some follow through. Unfortunately, the sell-off is not that strong as I expected it to be. It literally bounced all the way back up there again to our entry point. It's unfortunate. Might have to just get out here. Oh, whatever. I got probably faked out there, I did, but it is what it is. Wasn't liking that movement. I do like Nasdaq a lot better just because it is a bigger mover. So let's see if this could get rejected again at the EMA here. Currently in there at 57. Not the best fill, but let's see if this can make another move back down. Let's see if this breaks down right here. This candle is kind of holding some support now. It kind of sucks, so my fill was pretty bad. It's 57. I got out there. It's probably going to pop back up. That's unfortunate. Man, I wanted this to sell off pretty good, but doesn't want to. Looks like today's going to be one of those choppy days or one of those days that we kind of just slowly trickle up. Very slow, very slow. That sucks. I'm going to have to get rid of these puts though ASAP just because, again, if I stay in here longer, they're just going to start getting killed with the choppiness. So I'm going to give it maybe like another 30 minutes or so, an hour, see what the market wants to do. Let's see if it gets the Nasdaq could get rejected here on the 5 minute though. S&P looks good still above the EMA. It looks like it's gonna make a new high, but let's see if Nasdaq can hold below that EMA on the 5 minute. PayPal making a new low. Yep, here we go. It's gonna pop again. Damn, man. That S&P's making a new high, bro. Fuck. Sucks. The move we wanted on S&P fucking happened overnight. It's unfortunate and it bounced right off of it. And then this morning just kind of rallied all day. It sucks. If only this move could have happened during the day instead. And then we rallied during the day after, but man, it is what it is. Again, remember the 1 hour chart. So we do have some resistance here at that 4,400 level. We've kind of rejected off of that one, two, twice. So we'll see if we could reject the third time as well. Again, we broke over it on Wednesday, but it was so weak, which is why I got in on puts, and then it sold off. So we'll see if we could get rejected here again and start to sell off. I might add some puts to be quite honest with you for this thing, but only if let's see. We're just gonna wait for now. Very slow day today. We're not moving a lot. Like the past few days, we've had a lot of volatility, big moves. Right now we're just kind of chilling. Again, remember keep an eye on this 1 hour chart for the S&P. Monday we kind of bounced off this level of 4,400. Tuesday bounced off of it or rejected it twice, and then Wednesday is when we finally broke above, but we were not able to hold that, broke back down. So now we're retesting that level. So we'll see. We'll see if it could hold anything, if it could break above or something. Again, S&P is holding pretty well so far. Looks like it wants to make another move up now. All right, there he goes. Nasdaq making another move up. S&P. I went long there on Nasdaq at 58, expecting this to make another move up. I just bought some more SPY puts. Seeing if we could reject this level here on the 1 hour chart. We could move all the way up to 426, which would be that next level. Let's see if we can make all the way up here and then reject as well. Got out there at 75. So I doubled down on the SPY puts. Let's see if we can reject this. If we could form a nice big wick here, that would be nice. And then the next candle, which would be at, what is it, 10 minutes, 11 minutes or so, starts to kind of come down again. S&P, bro, so strong today. What's going on? So I fucked up so much in one day. Lost 1K day trading. And then I was up 2.3K on the same day with my puts. Wasn't able to close them out. And now I'm down on them. That's crazy. What a world, man. Apple selling off a little bit. S&P is still strong as fuck. S&P is probably the strongest one out of all the indices right now as far as holding up there. Because coming into the market open, Nasdaq was up 1.2 and S&P was only up 0.8. But look at them. I got in there on Nasdaq, see if we could make another. It wants to make another push up or not. Doesn't look like it. Got in at 83. Let's see. It doesn't look like it. Or does it? Let's see. I got out. It is forming some wicks on the 5 minutes, so be careful. I got short there at 54. Let's see if we can make a move back down to 20. Looks like it's bouncing. Hey, movement is so slow today. It's just like, it's obviously a lot more bullish today, but so slow. Like, it just, the moves up are slow, the moves down are fucking slow. Man, what the fuck? I'm getting faked out. I go along here, it sells off. Whatever, bro. Now I'm long on accident because I double clicked it. And now I'm getting faked out on the way to. There's no way this is happening right now. That's crazy. I'm gonna add there at 66. See if this can hold a 60 level. That's funny though. Apple's making a push back up. Let's see if NASDAQ can follow through. NASDAQ, what are you doing? Let's go. You wanted to fucking get a bot up here, so let's get it. This is it right here. Let's see. I bought some S&P as well at 16. Got some there at 94. Let's see if we could push a little higher. It's kind of getting stuck though. I'm gonna get out. Get out on that one too. Damn. No luck there, huh? You could go short on S&P here though. S&P is a little stronger though, so be careful on that. I'm just hoping that this 5 minute starts making a nice wick and gets back below 440, and I think it'll be looking good. If S&P can make a move back down below 480, I mean 380 and 360 in the next hour, I think that definitely will look good on the 1 hour chart for bearish people. Nice little sell off. Again, just watch the SPY 1 hour chart. Remember, we got rejected in the zone one time, twice, and then third time. So let's see if we can start forming a wick. If the next, so we have the next 1 hour candle that forms in 3 minutes. If that candle starts to break below 375, 43.75, it's gonna get nice and juicy. And if this one closes, which is 3 more minutes, closes below that 400, that's gonna even look better too. So we'll see. Let's see if now the S&P could hold below this level before the next 1 hour candle. Currently down about, what is that, 160. Not a good day, especially after yesterday too. Not a good day. Very slow though, very slow today. I expected a lot more volatility. It's not there, but it's alright. I might short S&P here if it starts to reject that 45 level. I got in there at 40. Let's see if this wants to kind of reject. I added there at 42. Not the best fills for both of those. It was up at what, 47? And it got filled at 42. Let's see if this candle wants to break down, or if not. Let's see. Get rejected. Let's see if this candle could get rejected and start making a nice, leaving a nice wick and turning red. Nice. Let's see if we. Aw, man. I was about to say comment, but I should just bounce right back up. Damn, dude. Look at that. What a shame. Got faked out. Let's see what this candle does. Can we break back below? Let's get a bigger flush. There you go. Let's get back below that 430. Sorry, 330. There you go. That's a good candle. There you go. Gonna cover some of that there. I'm gonna close out there. Nice red candle. All right, so we're forming the next candle on S&P, so look out for that. Remember, we have the rejection on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's see if today this gets rejected again and then starts to sell off. If it does get rejected within this candle, let's say this next hour candle breaks below 43.50 on the S&P. If that one hits 43.50, we're definitely gonna make a test for that support down here again. Beautiful candle, by the way, on Nasdaq there. We just need a lot more follow through with the sell-offs. They're nice sell-offs, but like nice big red candle, but then just kind of gets caught with some support right away, you know. That's because I feel like people are still bullish on the day, but once it starts to kind of break today's low, which is going to be for the S&P at 43.80, Nasdaq, 14,260 or so, then I think we'll start picking up some volatility, test that VWAP. I'm still liking the SPY puts for the 1 hour chart. But always be careful, anything can happen, you know? You could short here. Let's see, it's getting rejected. Let's see if you could short here. You could add something here. I'm not. I'm gonna just play a lot safer. I will add shorts if it starts to make a run towards towards that low. So for Nasdaq 286, 285. You gotta be careful. We could get a nice pop here. So hopefully not, but could get it. Apple's still holding that VWAP. Microsoft solid, up almost 3% still. Microsoft's holding up this Nasdaq today, huh? I think it's Microsoft and Tesla that are doing. Oh no, Tesla sold off. Jeez, it went up. It went up from being up pre-market now to being down 5% on the day. I did not expect that. Let's see if Nasdaq and S&P could at least S&P, if this one could hold below the support now that it closed on the 1 hour chart. Tesla, nice. Way down there. Microsoft still though. Microsoft's probably holding up fucking Microsoft and Apple are holding up the Nasdaq right now. Apple's up 2.1%, Microsoft's up 2.8. Nasdaq's only up 1.1. Let's see if it can get rejected here. Remember, look at the 5 minute charts. Tells you a lot too. It's currently below that EMA. It's trying to break above that EMA. Let's see if this 5 minute chart could close above the EMA or not. It's making a nice move up there, but we'll see. S&P has a lot of strength today. There's a lot of buyers there. I was expecting this shit to sell off right away. Look at this big candle. It's unfortunate for me, but I'm gonna hold these puts for a little longer. We'll see what today, well, later on today brings us. Pretty big candles there on Nasdaq and S&P. It's unfortunate. Really did want this to break down. 5 minute candles. You look this. There's quite a bit of wicks at the bottom of these candles, so there is some support, some buyers stepping in. Nasdaq's gonna continue pushing up. I'm gonna just sit here a little bit longer and just wait. If this gets rejected here, that's gonna be look good. We gotta just test this level though again at 285. I'll be right back. All right, remember, keep watching that 5 minute. 5 minute on Nasdaq looks really good. It's back above that EMA. Let's see if Nasdaq and S&P can start to break down here. All right, remember the goal is for this to kind of get rejected at this level for the S&P, and for this 1 hour chart, I mean 1 hour candle that was just formed, um, to close below 375, and then we would be looking good. But right now it's kind of very slow action. Kind of just holding up there still in the highs of today. We'll just follow through right now, see what happens. Hopefully some volatility kicks in. Another push up here. We're pushing up here again. Let's see if Nasdaq could I mean S&P could get rejected at 426, which is where that level is that we have up here. 426. Let's see if we could get rejected up here. All right. It is like I said, very slow movement going up, very slow, very slow. Um, but I mean it is still moving up, so we'll see. Hopefully, like this kind of shows that it's kind of weak. That the buyers are, I mean, there's buyers but not many. And there's not any sellers yet because people are just kind of waiting to see what happens here. So if hopefully, if this red candle for the 1 hour chart on S&P closes red, it'll be looking good. But as of now, it's just kind of bullish, very slow movement though, very slow. It hits the EMA, gets bounced off, just kind of, we'll see. All right, it's gonna be one of those days where you gotta just be patient, just kind of let something form. Very slow, again, very slow movement. Be careful, you could get chopped out on this movement. Once you get in, you're probably gonna be holding it for a few minutes. If there's some volatility that picks up, that'd be amazing. But just gotta be waiting for now. Don't get caught up though on this fake out if you get faked by Nasdaq. Look at the 5 minute chart. It is bouncing off that EMA again. So once we actually break below that EMA on the 5 minute and hold below, then you could start switching it up. But you gotta just be careful because this thing gets. There's a lot of buyers today just getting bought up every time it dips. It gets bought up right away. All right, Nasdaq starting to sell off a little bit more here. Let's see if we could get a break below that 43.90 on S&P. Remember, on the 1 hour chart, we would like to close below 375 for the S&P. So we currently have this red candle here on the 1 hour chart. Oops. Let's see if we can close at least down here below 375. So we got about 35 minutes or so to make that move. Nasdaq with the nice little sell-off. Again, yeah, today was good. It almost hit that top range too. It bounced nice, but this whole move was basically done pre-market. And not only that, look how slow the movement was. You know, even when we open, look at this movement, how slow. So it kind of leads me to believe that the sell-off is not done. We're probably gonna test this 42.60 again. Hi, baby. There you go. We got a nice little sell-off here on S&P and Nasdaq. S&P needs to break below the 43.90 and hold below there, and then ultimately test that VWAP again. It is, like I said, a very slow movement today, so it's probably just gonna take a minute, but we'll see if we could get down there. We got a nice little bounce here. Let's see if we could jump up here back to on Nasdaq for 340 and then reject. Hey, kids, stop that. No fighting. Hey. Hey. Sorry. Dogs over here fighting for their lives. Alright. Let's see if we can reject it. Hit that top level. I'm going to go ahead and go short there on NASDAQ with that rejection that we had there. Let's see if we could break below 79. I got out there at 90, just something small. Very small play. A move back down below 60 would be good though for NASDAQ. For puts or for the downside. Nice. Broke below that, very good. I could have held those shorts a little longer here on NASDAQ, but I just wanted something quick. Next level would be to break down below the 80 and hold. And then if we do break below 80 and start to hold, it would be nice to hit that 43.50. We might get a little bounce here. Be careful. Nice. The sell-off continues. That's good. Very good. Like, remember I told you that on that 1 hour, if we could close below 43.75, would be looking good. SPY with the big sell-off there with the big candle. Nice. All right. At this point, be careful. We might get a little bounce here. I actually got in there on SPY at 82.50 for a little bounce with that support that we have here from the open at 79. Oh, I only got one. I thought I had two contracts there. Let's see if we can make a push up to like high 80s, 87, 88. I got out at very small. I got out just because there was only one contract. I thought it was two. That's right though. See, that move was gonna happen again. There you go. I got in on Nasdaq at 77, short. Let's see if we could continue to sell off. There you go. I got out there at 73 for small profit. Damn, big candles on Nasdaq. Look at that. We're finally making that move back down below 43.75. Like I said, let's test that VWAP and then close below that 75, 375 on the 1 hour, which is about another 30 minutes still. So far, we're looking good. Currently up on those puts that we have. Oh, the sell-off continues. We're going to test that VWAP and probably bounce. If Nasdaq starts hitting that VWAP in the next few candles, I'll look to get long for a bounce. Or the bounce is already happening here, actually. All right, let's see if we get any God, I can't even talk. Meaningful. Anyways, let's see if we get a good bounce here, and then test that 77 again on VWAP. One hour chart looks good. If we could, by the end of today at least, on the 1 hour chart, close below the VWAP and the EMA that we have here on the 1 hour, that's when it starts to get very interesting for Friday. Will the sell-off continue here? Kind of want to go short here on NASDAQ. I might do it with one contract only though. Something small. I got in there at 11. Oh, 11. Ew. It's terrible spill. I'm going to add there at 27 for short. Let's see if we can start getting rejected again here, and then push down to the VWAP and test that VWAP. Doesn't look like we're going to do that. It's bouncing, it's getting some bids there. Ooh. It's not good. Oh, there you go. That's a good candle there. Just continue the sell-off. Down to the VWAP. It looks like it's going to actually bounce here. It's going to have a bigger bounce. If it does, if this candle starts to break above that 40, it's probably going to have a bigger bounce now. Currently still holding it. Let's see. Ooh. Come on, this candle needs to break down. There's definitely some bidders that are trying to keep it up. Alright, can we break down now? They're just buying it up. Be careful on this one right here. Kind of sucks. My fill is pretty bad, so automatically I'm down on the spot on the position. But if it starts to break above 40, I'm out. I would like to see this start to break down below 09, 08, and then make a test to that VWAP. Oh, it's good. Oh, don't break above. Don't do it. Come on, we gotta break down. Gotta break below. Let's test that VWAP. It's kind of forming a little bull flag here, so a little bear flag here, so but this could pop up right here. Is that it? Or is it gonna get rejected? Be very careful here. I'm waiting. I'm just getting ready to get out right here. Getting ready to get out. Let's see if this could break down, if this could get rejected. Come on, let's turn this candle red. Okay, good red candle there. All right, this is the candle. This is a move now. We got to get below 08. There it goes. Nice. Got one at 4. Another one at 94. Ooh, very nice sell off there. Very good. Very good. Very good sell off. Very good. Got out early, but again, remember, this could bounce off the VWAP here. That's what I was telling you earlier. I like this might test the VWAP and just bounce. So be very careful here. Let's see if there's a bounce here. See what kind of bounce we get. I can see this bouncing off the VWAP and then trying to get back up to like 260. We'll see what it does. Pretty weak bounce so far, so we'll see. Give it a few more minutes, see what it does. Once it starts to break below that VWAP though, expect the move on Nasdaq down to 14,050, and on S&P down to that VWAP and EMAs on the 1 hour would be 350. So expect to move down here for S&P. We're getting that bounce now. Let's see what kind of bounce we could get. Remember, this thing could bounce up to like on Nasdaq up to like 260, 270. So be careful. If you could try to short this, but I personally think that once it's bouncing off the VWAP, it's gonna be a lot better bounce than these that we've had here. So just be careful, be mindful with the 5-minute chart as well. All right, so let's see what kind of bounce we have. If this starts to kind of reject at this 240 for Nasdaq, expect this to break below the VWAP. But just keep watching, be very careful. All right, so this is the bounce here that I was talking about. Let's see how strong it is. Just watch Nasdaq to see if it gets rejected at the 5 minute EMA, which is at 275. All right, so it looks like what the fuck is this? Looks like the sell-off is continuing. Let's see if we can get a break on the VWAP for Nasdaq, and if we could get a test of the VWAP on the S&P. Very slow today. Again, I've been saying this a lot, but it is very slow today. Very slow day compared to earlier this week. You know. We got a bounce here, a little bounce. Let's see. So it is making a lower, I mean a higher low here on Nasdaq and S&P. So let's see if this wants to run up a little bit. Remember I told you watch the 5 minute. As you can see on the 5 minute for the Nasdaq, it got rejected there originally, but now we're having a second leg on that move. Let's see if it could continue. If it can't, definitely see another retest of the VWAP here. Man, this shit. I always do this shit, bro. So now on the 1 hour chart for the S&P, looks like it's bounced off that EMA and VWAP kind of close to that. I would like for this to actually continue to sell off. So let's see if we can get some rejection anywhere here and start to sell off again. Getting a nice bounce there on NASDAQ. It's unfortunate for me and my puts. Man, it sucks. I went long here. I knew this thing was gonna try to break up, but then that candle just fucking got me, bro. That fake out there. When I have my profits, I need to learn how to keep them. I keep giving them back. It's my biggest weakness. I keep giving them back. I really did expect a way bigger sell-off than this, though. It's kind of sad. I got long there at 11. Let's see if this could push up. Man, my fills are not good. I'm not getting good fills, but let's see if this could push up to like 30. I got out there at 22. SPY making me look bad, man. I needed you to sell off. Why are you rallying? Why are you going up? I need you to sell off, you piece of shit. I might have to get rid of these puts, man, for a loss. This is a way stronger bounce than I expected. I wanted the sell-off to continue. It took 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes to hit the VWAP. And then 5 minutes to get back up there. I mean 5 charts. Sorry, 5 candles. Let's see if we can reject here and start making a move back down for S&P and the NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ wants to keep going, huh? Fuck you, bro. Do not keep pushing. There's no way. Who's buying this shit, man? That's what I want to know. Who are the buyers? How is AMD down $2, and we got fucking S&P and NASDAQ rallying? That shit don't make sense. How is this shit red? Was there news or something on this? What the fuck? PayPal rallying. Square rallying. Man. I'm gonna get out of these puts, bro. I have to. The 1 hour was looking good, but then it bounced off of that fucking EMA. And then look at that. It's just rallied all the way back up. That's not looking good anymore. It's unfortunate. I'm just going to set some alerts because I'm probably going to get off in a bit. Need to call it a day before I keep trading. Alright, we had enough of the rally. Let's fucking stop that shit now and sell off. Nasdaq, I mean, SPY was giving me some hope, man, when I was hitting that low right here. But that rally was nice. It almost hit the highs again. It's a slow day, though. Very slow day. See if we can start breaking below again. It's catching some support. That's not what my puts want to see. My puts want to see this break down. Let's go. Nasdaq, SPY, rallying again. Come on, bro. Just stop. Stop that shit, bro. Let's be real. You want to sell off again. Let's be real, you know? Let's see if we get a good sell-off, though. Sell all that we just rallied and then make a new low. Needs to pick up fucking volume and start selling off a lot quicker than this. Some volatility would be good for my puts. Just kidding, it's gonna catch support. We'll see what it does. Selling off a bit. Nothing crazy though. Let's see how far this could actually sell off. Because look at that. It has a nice red candle, but then it just bounces. So let's see if the sell-off can continue. This red candle that we have right now on the 1 hour chart for that SPY, that one, this next candle needs to close below the EMA and VWAP, which is at 43.60 for some bearish signs to start forming. Let's see if the sell-off can continue. So far, Nasdaq is holding on that 5-minute EMA, so be careful on going short here. Unless it starts to break below 280, I would just be careful. Oh my god, bro. Where is this fucking support coming from, bro? Just sell the fuck off. You trash fucking shit. Jeez. Man, what kind of sell-off is this? You're gonna just bounce right back. You're just killing my fucking... my puts. What a shame, bro. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Time to go long on Nasdaq here. Isn't that 33 or 23, whatever that is? Hey yo, what's going on? You gonna push or not? Or you gonna fake me out? Yo, what is it doing? Is it gonna... I guess it doesn't want to bounce it, huh? Not with me, at least. Once I get out, it'll bounce. But if I'm in there, it's not gonna bounce. Fucking piece of shit. At least sell off then if you're not gonna fucking bounce with me. Don't just hold here. Get down below 280. Come on, don't do this. Fucking sell off then, you piece of shit. If you didn't want to rally just a minute ago. So now you want to hold to this level though? Come on. Oh my god, why is it just holding here? It's about to start fucking rallying, then watch. I'm gonna go along there. Gonna add there. Got out there. Man, what a shame though. Sucks that, you know, these puts are fucking getting killed. What a shame, bro. Such a slow day, dude. Come on. Why did we have to bounce this morning? Why did we have to sell off overnight and then bounce this morning? Come on. Like the setup was perfect. The puts were about to print. Look at this overnight sell off. And then it wants to bounce here, bro. Come on. Look at this. 5-minute chart on the S&P. Look at this. Sold off overnight perfectly. And then it wants to bounce. So yeah, fuck off. I'll be back. All right, so for now, I think I'm basically done day trading for now. I'm still holding these puts, so I'm gonna be watching the market a little bit. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, see what's going on.